Welcome to the garage. I'm Robert, and this is Haslip Cycle Works. Today we have a special video. Today we're going to announce the giveaway winner from our little giveaway we did for our 50 subscribers. And just to remind you guys, the giveaway was a little 30mm spent casing turned into a tungsten holder that we made here in the shop. What I did was use a random YouTube comment picker online. I copied the URL for the giveaway video into the random generator, let it do its compiling and its picking and choosing, and it randomly picked a winner. The winner of the Haslip Cycle Works 50 sub giveaway is Congratulations, Gabriel. You commented that you wanted it down in the comment section, and guess what? You're gonna get it. Hit me up via email at haslipcycleworks@gmail.com and let me know where you want it shipped to, and also let me know what shirt size you wear. I have large, extra large, and double XL. Pick one of those and I'll put it in one of the Haslip Cycle Works swag boxes, and I'll get that out to you as soon as I can. So again, hit me up, haslipcycleworks@gmail.com, or if you feel comfortable with it, put your details and what size shirt you want in the comment section. Thanks for entering, guys. I appreciate it. The jump in subscribers was great. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. What do you guys think? The next 100 subs, and we'll do something special for that. So make sure you put the word out. Let other people know what we're doing over here at Haslip Cycle Works, and we'll get that sub count up and do some more giveaways. So maybe next time it'll be you. So for those that want to know what a Haslip Cycle Works swag box looks like, this is it. A black box that is labeled with a sticker both sides, and in your swag box you'll get a Haslip Cycle Works oval sticker, a hashtag Haslip Cycle Works sticker, a Haslip Cycle Works red silicone bracelet, a couple of spam cards, and then the shirt. This is what the shirt looks like. Haslip Cycle Works on the front, and on the back is the website. Black with a white drop shadow so it stands out. So until next time, guys, get up, get out there, and do it.